Hey, what's up YouTube? And today we're gonna be fixing this. Look how this joystick is. We're gonna replacing those with these. Got a lot of joysticks. So yeah, man, let's get into it. Let's unscrew these. Now we got that. Now we're gonna use this to open it just like that. Sometimes it might take a while. Just kidding. You gotta be careful when you open this because you might wreck something. You have to use this, man, so be able to open this. Now, see that? See how it looks? See this part? You gotta remove that gently. Remove this part. Take that. See this screw? Remove that. See this blue here? This one? Remove that gently. Because you don't want to break it. Now that it's done, now you only have to do is remove this slowly. Because you don't want to break it. See this, man? Look at it. We just picked it apart. Now remove these. Now we're gonna put these brand new joysticks. Now we can put the new joysticks. Perfect. Now this one. Simple as that. Put these back together. See this part here? Put this through there. That's why I'm using this, so I can pull it from here. There. For those that doesn't know how to replace the joysticks, this video is for you. Or you just like watching my content. Thank you very much. Put this back. There. Now you can put this for the battery. Hook this up. And now this part again. There. Now it's hooked up. Now you can screw this back. Like brand new. Woo! I guess I'll use this today. The controller. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this. I'll see you guys another time. Take care of yourselves. Much love, fam. Peace.